Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk. You might wondering where your 2017 BMW 320i GT AC condenser located. Well, in this video, you don't have to wonder anymore. I'm gonna show you exactly where your condenser hiding, guys. Come with me. If you're new on this channel, guys, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video. And you can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and like us on Facebook. Guys, a customer complained about the air conditioner blowing hot and asked us to replace the compressor. So we pressure test the system, realize that 3 of the O-ring leaking. We replace the O-ring, vacuum, and start to recharge the system. The compressor and the vehicle pumping properly, and we start to realize that the high side gauge fluctuating between 150 to 320. If you have any experience in repair air condition, you know that is a restriction in the system. So guys, we remove the bracket as you see and searching for the condenser normally located in front of the radiator. So we keep searching for it, remove this bracket here, realize that it's 2 radiator at the front of the vehicle. Can't find a condenser. So I do my research and realize that the condenser and the receiver dryer located right below the radiator bottle. So guys, I'm going to show you now, guys. So this is the condenser and the receiver dryer. The condenser look like the CVT transmission oil cooler. So this is the receiver dryer I'm pointing at. So we can get the parts locally, so we decide that we're going to use some AC flush and clean both condenser and the receiver dryer. Guys, I understand that the coolant flow through the AC condenser to help cool the refrigerant. Right now I'm removing one of the coolant pipe. I already pulled up the clips, so I'm just pushing it off the condenser. So guys, I'm not going to remove the condenser and the receiver dryer. I'm just making some space so I can pour some AC flush inside of it and use some nitrogen and blow it right out. Guys, at first I'm working on this type of system, and as I say, I do my research so I can approach it the right way. So I'm removing one more pipes that connect to the receiver dryer. I already pulled the top pipes, so 2 pipes connect to it, one at the top, one at the side. Unfortunate, guys, based on the short time that we have to finish this vehicle, we don't get the chance to show you how to flush the AC condenser and the receiver dryer, but we're going to upload a video for you next time. I promise you, guys. We are tightening up the pipes on the condenser and the receiver dryer. Also, we're going to pressure test and give this vehicle a deep vacuum. As you see, guys, we spilled some of the coolant, so we are topping up back. right now the AC system under vacuum. Meantime, we're tightening up back. If this video helped you guys, please let us know in the comment section, and remember to like, share and subscribe. We start the engine, turn on the AC, the gauge not fluctuating anymore, reading is correct. The compressor that come on the vehicle pumping nice, so we don't have to change the compressor. Guys, we finished recharge the system. We already pressure test vacuum, so we're going to remove the gauge right now. So guys, right now I'm going to check inside, and the AC blowing cold. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Guys, remember to like and share this video.